Rockville, Maryland, is a thriving city with a mix of suburban charm and urban convenience. However, with the hustle and bustle of city life, residents often experience unwanted noise and fluctuating indoor temperatures. If you're looking to enhance your home's comfort while reducing outside noise, window replacement is a smart investment. Here's how upgrading your windows can make a significant difference in your living environment. Better temperature regulation. One of the primary benefits of window replacement is improved indoor comfort through better temperature regulation. Many older homes in Rockville still have single-pane windows that offer minimal insulation. Modern replacement windows, particularly those with double or triple glazing, help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat loss in winter. High-quality windows with low emissivity coatings and argon gas insulation trap warmth inside, reducing reliance on heating systems. Minimizing heat gain in summer. Energy-efficient windows reflect heat away, keeping indoor spaces cooler and less dependent on air conditioning. Eliminating drafts. Poorly sealed windows allow cold air to seep in during the winter and hot air to enter during the summer. New, well-sealed windows prevent these uncomfortable drafts. With Rockville's varying climate, replacing outdated windows ensures year-round comfort and improved energy efficiency, leading to lower utility bills. Superior noise reduction. Living in a vibrant city like Rockville comes with its share of noise, from traffic and construction to neighborhood activity. If outside noise disrupts your peace, window replacement can provide effective sound insulation. Multi-pane glass, double and triple pane windows significantly reduce the transmission of sound waves, creating a quieter indoor environment. Laminated glass. Some replacement windows include laminated glass, which features a sound dampening layer that absorbs noise. Tighter seals. New window installations eliminate small gaps that allow sound to travel into your home. By investing in noise-reducing windows, you can enjoy a more peaceful home, whether you're working remotely, sleeping, or simply relaxing. Increased energy efficiency. Many homeowners in Rockville are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and lower energy bills. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models helps to reduce heating and cooling costs, lower overall energy consumption, increase home insulation for consistent indoor temperatures. Windows with ENERGY STAR ratings are specifically designed to maximize efficiency, ensuring that your home stays comfortable without excessive energy use. Improved indoor air quality. Old, deteriorating windows may have cracks and gaps that allow dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants to enter your home. Modern windows provide better sealing, keeps outdoor allergens at bay. Ventilation options, allows for controlled fresh air intake without compromising insulation. Less condensation, prevents mold growth and moisture buildup inside your home. Improving indoor air quality contributes to a healthier and more enjoyable living space. Enhanced aesthetic appeal and property value. New windows not only improve indoor comfort but also boost your home's curb appeal. Modern designs complement different architectural styles, making your property more attractive. Additionally, window replacement increases resale value, making it a worthwhile investment if you plan to sell your home in the future. Low maintenance and longevity. Upgrading to modern windows means less maintenance and more durability. Many new models come with vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist warping and rotting. Easy-to-clean glass coatings that reduce water spots and dirt buildup. Advanced locking mechanisms for better security. This means you'll spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying the benefits of your new windows. Conclusion. Replacing your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve indoor comfort and reduce noise pollution in Rockville. With energy-efficient designs, superior insulation, and noise-reducing features, new windows transform your living space into a quiet, comfortable, and cost-effective haven. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's value or simply enjoy a more peaceful atmosphere, investing in high-quality window replacement is a smart choice for any homeowner in Rockville.